if your Face ID stopped working after the iOS 26 update. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just clean the Face ID area of your iPhone, because over time, oil or dirt might have built up on the Face ID area, which might be causing this issue. Also, if you have applied any screen protector, just remove it, because you might have applied a screen protector which is not compatible with your iPhone. And if the screen protector is compatible with your iPhone, just check if there is any dirt trapped in between the Face ID sensor and your screen protector. If you find any dirt, just remove your screen protector and clean the Face ID area. But if this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next step. Just go to Settings, and in Settings you will find the option of Face ID and passcode. Just tap on it, then enter your lock screen passcode. Now from here, just make sure that all these options are enabled. Now if you have enabled all these options and still if your Face ID is not working, then just scroll down and tap on Reset Face ID. After you reset your Face ID, then tap on Set up Face ID. Now just follow the instructions on the screen to set up your Face ID. Just place your face in the camera frame, then move your head around as it is shown in this animation. Tap on Get Started, and from here just set up your Face ID. After you scan your face, then tap on Setup Later, then tap on Done. And from here just enter the password of your Apple ID. Then tap on OK. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then just go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then just go back to Settings and tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Software Update. Now just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS version, because Apple sends bug fixes into the software updates. So update your iPhone to the latest software and check if this fixes your issue or not. But if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the Face ID sensors on your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix Face ID is not working on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.